She's shifting.
I see it. Adjusting tension now.
The stress load on cable 3 is peaking.
Ease off slightly on the aft lift, maintain balance. Hold hydraulic steady. Aft section clear on starboard side.
Confirmed, lowering 5 more centimeters.
All right, it's down. Secure the lines. Deck reporting. Forward starboard tension is optimal.
Received. Keep monitoring the approach to the dock.
Slow approach, starboard side clear. Copy that, easy now. We are secured forward. All right, easy now. Settle it right there. Confirm contact.
Stand 4 is secure, but look at the rust migration here. Okay, lift on my count. Heavy on the left. Clear the debris on the way out. That dent compromised the entire starboard side.
And the flooding is extensive. Let's see what the camera shows.
I can't even read the serial number through all this algae.
Let me try scraping it. The water damage goes deep.
Easy now, watch the port side. Steady, coming up clear.
Give it another quarter turn. Make sure it's fully secure. Green on the torque. Not going anywhere.
The clearance here is completely off tolerance.
Yes, I see the pitting on the edge. Needs full replacement.
Cross-reference the wiring schematic for the auxiliary coolant loop.
It matches the revision. All parameters are nominal.
We have ignition, all green.
Beautiful. The vibrations are stable.
Okay, easy now, lift on 3. Got it, watch the edges. Clear on this side. Check the corrosion on the green wire here.
Yeah, that's completely shot. We need to cut it clean.
The dent depth is greater than anticipated here.
And the rust penetration is extensive. We need to recommend full plating replacement.
starting the final torque sequence now.
Confirmed. The casing is perfectly flush with the hull.
And the navigation light sequence is complete.
Excellent work. Power draw is steady across the board.
Double check the flow rate on auxiliary 2.
Reading steady. Pressure levels are optimal.
Slow and steady on the port side.
Acknowledged. We are clear of the stands.
Easy now, center up.
Looks good on the starboard side.
Aft is clear, keep coming back. Keep it steady on the left side, watch the clearance.
Confirmed. Trajectory is green. Keep moving slowly.
Tension looks good on the aft straps, keep it steady.
Clear the trailer now. Bring her up another 2 meters.
Easy now, approaching the waterline. Confirmed contact. Pressure stabilizing. It turned out perfectly. Look at that shine.
The horseshoe drill is magnificent.